Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're discussing something very important, income tax filing. Why filing income tax is important? Filing income tax returns, also known as ITR, is not just for high-income earners or businesses. It is important for every working individual and even some non-working individuals too. Here's why you should file your ITR. Legal requirement: if your annual income exceeds the basic exemption limit, you are legally required to file an income tax return. Loan applications: banks ask for ITR documents when you apply for home loans, vehicle loans, or even personal loans, etc. Visa processing: ITRs are often required while applying for travel visas, especially for countries like the USA, UK, Canada, etc. Claiming refunds: if TDS, tax deducted at source, is deducted from your income, you can claim a refund only if you file your return. Proof of income: ITR acts as proof of income for future references and investments. Capital gains reporting: if you've made profits from stocks, mutual funds, property or gold, it's mandatory to report your capital gains through ITR, even if your total income is below the exemption limit. This helps avoid future tax notices and ensures clean financial records. Higher life insurance coverage: planning to take a high-value life insurance policy? Insurers often ask for your ITR to assess your income and decide your eligibility for a larger sum assured. Filing ITR can help you get better coverage. What happens if you don't file ITR? Many people think my income is less, so why worry about it? But not filing ITR can lead to several issues. Higher loan interest rates: if you don't file ITR and apply for a loan, banks may charge higher interest rates compared to those who submit regular ITRs. Lenders consider ITR as a sign of financial discipline. Without it, your credibility goes down and your EMI goes up. Late filing penalty: under Section 234F, you may face a penalty depending on your income. Ineligibility for loss carry forward: if you've had a business or capital loss and you don't file your return, you lose the chance to carry forward those losses to future years. Notice from Income Tax Department: if your PAN is linked with high-value transactions like large deposits, property purchases, etc., and you don't file ITR, you may get a notice. No access to tax benefits: many deductions under sections like 80C, 80D, etc. require proper ITR filing. TDS refund is delayed or lost: if someone deducts TDS from your payments but you don't file your return, you lose the refund that is rightfully yours. Now you may be thinking, this sounds confusing. Don't worry, that's where we come in. At Newray Services, we offer professional income tax filing services for salaried employees, freelancers, business owners, and even senior citizens. Our expert team will help you choose between the old and new regime, file your return accurately and quickly, ensure all deductions and exemptions are applied, and guide you on saving more tax legally. Just call us or visit our office and we'll take care of everything. Thank you.